Alright, so on today's practice, we're dealing with tangent. So remember with tangent, let's do the whole thing. Tangent is opposite over adjacent side. So knowing where you're talking about is very important. So it says find the tangents of the acute angles in the right triangle. That means S and R. So from S, if we're looking here, and we're looking for the opposite side, that's 28. And the adjacent side is 45. So the tangent of S, of angle S, let's just clean that up a little bit, even for me. The tangent of angle S is 28 over 45, which if you just divide 28 by 45, it's 0.6222. And it says 4 decimal places. And then if we're looking at, that didn't work. If we're looking at from angle R, opposite would be 45 and adjacent would be 28. So we just kind of switch them. The tangent from angle R is 45 divided by 28, which is 1.6071. Okay, so again from H, tangent of angle H is opposite 1 over 2, which is 0.5. 0, 0, 0 if we're going to go off 4 spaces. And from G, tangent angle G, well, from there, opposite is 2, and this is 1, so that's 2.000, or just 2. All right, so let's find the value of x, round your answer to the nearest tenth. So, again, from this angle, tangent would be opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of 41 degrees is opposite over adjacent. Now whenever the x is on the bottom, we just switch these. So x equals 12 divided by tangent of 41. And we just type that in our calculator. Literally 12 divided by tangent 41. And we find out that x is 13.8 to the nearest tenth. All right, from 27, opposite is x. So tangent of 27 is x over adjacent 15. In this case, we just multiply both sides by 15. And you literally just type in the calculator 15 times tangent of 27, and you get 7.6. All right, from 58, opposite 22. So tangent of 58 equals 22 over adjacent x. Again, these switch places when x is on the bottom. So x is 22 divided by tangent of 58. Just type that in your calculator and you get 13.7. From here, tangent 37, opposite over adjacent. Switch places when the x is on the bottom. 6 divided by tangent of 37. And we get x equals 8.0. All right, error analysis. What happened? So they had tangent of D, so from D, opposite over adjacent. They had opposite over hypotenuse, and that is wrong. It should not be 35 over 37, it should be 35 over 12. All right, real world problem, okay? It says estimate the depth of the crater. So we have this angle of 55 degrees. Opposite is D. So tangent of 55 equals opposite over adjacent. At this point, you just simply multiply both sides by 500. Type that right in your calculator, and you get D equals 714.07 meters, or 714.1. It does not say where to round to, so either one's fine. Whoops. All right, 17. Find the tangent of the smaller acute angle in the right triangle with sides 5, 12, and 13. So you make your right triangle. The smaller side is 5. This is 12. The hypotenuse has to be 13. This is your right angle. So you're trying to find the acute angle. That's going to be opposite the smallest side. That's going to be right here. Opposite the smallest side is the smallest angle. So tangent of, we'll just call it A. We can call it any letter we want. Is equal to 5 over 12. And 5 divided by 12 is 0.416 repeating. All right, find the tangent of the larger acute angle. So we have 3, 4, 5. Now, larger acute angle, which means not the right angle. So again, largest acute angle is going to be opposite the larger sides. That's going to be the 4 right there. So tangent of A equals 4 over the adjacent, which is 3, which is 1.3 repeating. 4/3 is 1 1/3, 1.3 repeating. Find the value of X. Okay, this is a review. So we have a 30, 60, 90. This is my 60. All right, so this is my small side. All right, going to the hypotenuse, we double it. So this is 2 radical 3. And going to the medium side, we're going to multiply by radical 3. So radical 3 times radical 3 is just simply 3. All right, 28, this is my 30. So X is my small. We have the medium. We always want to go to the small side. So that means we need to do 7 divided by radical 3, which means we need to rationalize. So we get 7 radical 3 over 3. That is this side right here. And just for extra practice, if I wanted to find out, going from here to here is simply doubling times 2. So that would be 14 radical 3 divided by 3. Okay. And on this one, we have 45, 45, 90, which means this leg and this leg are equal. And it's a really easy thing here. We just multiply by radical 2. So that is 5 radical 2, and we're done.